Hey guys, welcome to the next Bling Up. Today we're going to bling up Jack Skellington. And now I know we already did a Jack Skellington, I was showing you how to draw him last time, but we're going to bling him up into a real human boy, a real man. Because he's a skeleton, so maybe he used to be a man, so... Let's see what we can make him. So that was his rough shape, wasn't it? Something along those sort of lines. Eyes. Yeah, not bad. Little nose. Just little holes, really, isn't it? Where Jack's concerned, and then it was sort of mouth like this. Yeah, that's roughly there. And then obviously he had the lines going across there. But we're not going to do those. We are going to do, and you just need a bigger pen. Excuse me. And another small one. It's not the small one. Right. The outside. So that's not going to change much, is it? And I think if we give him, because I think Jack Skellington, because he's been a skeleton for so long, he probably misses a lot of things about being human. So I was going to say, so we've got to have eyes that fit the eye sockets. He's going to be only wanting to luxuriate in hair, because he hasn't had hair for ages. So I reckon we can give him some chunky old brows like this. Nice. Bit of a schnoz. Let's give him long hair. Oh yeah, Jack. Look at your luscious locks. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I still think he'd have a bit of the night about him. So I'll give him some haunted looks here. And I think maybe if he's luxuriating in hair, maybe a moustache. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's a good moustache. Oh, Jack, you've done well. What a great tash you drew. You grew. I drew. You grew. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Give him some little cheeks in there. Yeah. He's happy. Oh, Jack. Oh la la. Very cool. And I think because he's wearing that suit all the time, he's going to be a bit more cash this time. Let's give him a little vest. Oh, nice. Look at him. He's happy. Little skull on his vest. Right, I think that hair's got to be black, hasn't it? Alright, let's colour that in. How's that? How do you like Jack as a human? I'm digging him. I think he's really cool. I think we're pretty close to what he would actually look like. But yeah, a lot of fun. Try your own, make your own Jack. Draw the outline of his face in pencil, go over in pen, and go crazy with what you think he will look like. I would love to see what you come up with. Cool, I'll see you next time. Please do subscribe if you can. And yeah, see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.